welcome to my kitchen. Come along with me. I am making a pistachio crusted chicken stuffed with cheese and broccoli. First off, I'm going to cut the chicken sideways. You just want to season your chicken with some salt, and some pepper, do that on both sides. Oven preheating to 400. I did stick a couple of sweet potatoes wrapped in aluminum foil in there. Just washed them and stabbed them with a fork. And cover it with some wax paper. Just move these up for a minute. I'm going to pan them down so they're all an even thinness. Or thickness, depending how you look at it. Having a bad day, this will help you get your stress out. Okay. So now I have 3 dishes lined up. A little baggie here. And my pistachios. Throw them in there. I have some corn flakes. All the work has already been done for me. I'm going to add my pistachio pieces. Give that a little stir. This is just eggs. To the eggs, I am going to add just some seasoned salt. Use whatever you have. And to the flour, since I don't have any acid in this meal, I'm going to use baking powder. If I did have acid, then I would use baking soda. So for every cup of flour, you want 1 teaspoon of baking soda, or powder, I mean. Just give that a stir. I just had a cat run by, and I don't have a cat. It's pretty cute. All right, so I'm going to start with 1 piece. Dip it in the flour mixture. The egg mixture. Just want to get it nicely coated. And then the cornflake and pistachio mixture. And then just repeat with how many pieces you are making. There's only 2 of us, so I only need 2. This is the flour and baking powder mixture. This will give a nice crisp skin. And this egg mixture. Come on, chicken, get in the pool. And the corn flour, cornflakes, and pistachio nuts. Nicely coated. All right. Pick this up quick. All right, so to the bowl, I just have a 4-cheese mix. You don't need much cheese. It's about a half a cup. Put a little feta cheese in there. One for the cook. Just mix it up. Actually, you know what? I just thought of something else that'd be really good in here. Put a little craisins. A little sweet, salty, creamy, cheesy goodness. Just mix it up. Some broccoli, some fresh broccoli. I'm just gonna cut some up to put inside. Put it really small. That way you can still roll the chicken. So, you want to take your chicken, put some of the cheese in there, a little bit of the broccoli, you just want to roll it up. Put it seam side down. I'm actually gonna, no. Other side. And you're just going to do the same thing. Just roll it, kind of pinch it in your fingers as you just get rolling. And when you feel the seam, I'm just going to hold it down. Next, I'll get my pan. Baster's dirty, so I'm just going to spread it with my fingers. all nice and coated. Good amount of oil on the bottom. Now lift your chicken up. Lay it in the bottom of the pan. Some that fell out, so I'm just get back in there. Top it with some cheese. And put a little pepper on it. And that's it. It's going to go in the oven at 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes until it comes out reading temperature is done. I'll let you see when it comes out. The chicken has come out of the oven. I did layer a little more cheese. I decided on some mozzarella. Just a little green. I'll let that sit for a minute and then I'll slice it up. It has rested. I started to slice it. How good does that look? I am sure whoever you are making this for will enjoy it, even if it's making it just for yourself. Join me next time as I'm cooking in the kitchen. This is Sandy with the Good Life Homestead.